Good afternoon, this is Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV here in sunny, chilly Oregon, Junction City, Oregon. This opportunity to show you this 2020 Thor 4 Winds. This model is the 31W that we just received. I want to kind of show you some of the things they've been changing, some of the improvements they made, and why this might make a great motorhome for your use. So let's go around the outside first. As you can see, they have a new paint scheme with kind of in the lighter grays with the dark stripes. Gives us a nice look. Outside TV will be here. Rotocast luggage box here. The Rotocast is nice because it's, you know, weatherproof. A second box here, a little deeper. This one here will be our LP tank. Exterior patio receptacle. We go across here again with an interior light on it. We don't have to be hunting around in the dark to find things. Outside quick connect for our LP connector. Real good size luggage door here with good storage, so kind of a two-tier storage. Comes with a roof deck ladder. This one has 8,000 pounds of towing. Full wall slide with a triple rail Swintex. Outside here, have our power cord storage. Access to our service bay. Now, one thing to know, those bayonets will actually turn down if you'd like them to. You can rotate them just by grabbing them and pushing. Outside shower, furnace, endless water heater, 2 more storage bays, generator. So this is on a Ford F450. Does have right, left, and rear cameras. The cameras are right there in the bottom. You know, you can see them by bumping your turn signal. Great application for this blind spot over here as you're going through town. As we go inside, one of the things they've given us on this coach is a beautiful Whirlpool residential style refrigerator running off an inverter. Does have the ice maker, storage down below. Large bath door that after we open it will create a private area as it latches. Double door shower. Great storage there for towels and linens. Back in the bedroom. Look at the nightstands. 2 real nice tall nightstands with deep storage. Above the nightstands we have both USBs and 12-volt. Storage down below. Let's look underneath. Underneath here, little storage hatch, and of course they've used the other one for water accessories. Wardrobe, double door wardrobe, total of 7 drawers. TV. We come to the midsection. Here in the midsection we have a double door wardrobe, 6 more drawers, adjustable shelves. So we step down into the kitchen, pantry with pull-outs. I mean, one of the things that Thor has done a great job in the last several years of concentrating on is giving us nice additional storage with good pull-outs. Good sized drawer, pots and pans, 3 more drawers in the galley. Nice deep drawers. Wastebasket, comes with a wastebasket, some more pull-outs again. One of the things they've switched to is had nice acceptance, induction cooktop with 2 burners. So no matter what power you're on, you can cook. Real tall triple receptacles, two more USBs. You can push it out of the way if you'd like. Microwave, convection microwave. Nice decorative glass doors, still with adjustable shelves. wine guard router on board, big TV. Now here's something really nice we typically don't see in these Class Cs is recliners. So sit, right here's our pulls, we can pull them open, double drawers here. So one of the things they've really maximized on this coach is amount of drawer space. You know, many dinettes don't have drawers. These do. We also have 2 more USBs down below and a recep down in the back. Come up to the front here, we've got, you know, our bed area, nice TV. So I mean, one of the things on this coach is really nice use of room. Of course, very comfortable seating for our TV. We're still going to be able to sleep 6 people, 2 at the dinette, 2 in the bunk, and 2 in the back. So love to tell you more about this coach. Please give me a call. Dennis Drow with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, 541-501-8056. Come and have fun. Thank you.